Pedestrians who are injured in auto collisions often have severe injuries with long, expensive recoveries. Obviously, pedestrians don't have the same physical protection as others on the road, so these accidents tend to have more catastrophic outcomes. If you or a loved one has been injured in a pedestrian accident in Stockton, it's in your best interest to call Maison Law as soon as possible after the accident. The more time you give us to evaluate your claim, gather evidence, talk to witnesses, and build your case, the better the odds you have at a comprehensive settlement. Also, there's a 2-year statute of limitations on most injury claims in California. While this might sound like a long time, there is a lot of legwork that needs to be done before a claim can be filed. Fortunately, Maison Law offers free consultations to pedestrian accident victims in Stockton. We can help you evaluate your case and discuss all of your legal options with you. Give us a call today.